வணக்கம் வைஷோபீடியா தமிழ் சேனலுக்கு உங்களை அன்புடன் வரவேற்கிறேன். நீங்கள் இப்போ பார்க்க போகிறது கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ், அதாவது 16th 22nd ஜூலை வரைக்கும். சிக்ஸ்டீன்லேருந்து 17th கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் தான் நெக்ஸ்ட் வர ஸ்லைட்ஸில் நீங்கள் பார்க்க போகிறீங்க. ஜூலை 2021 important day, World Day for International Justice 17th July, World Emoji Day 17th July. Bandaru Dattatreya was sworn in as the 18th Governor of Haryana. The 93rd Foundation Day of the Indian Council of Agriculture Research was celebrated virtually. India's first ever grain ATM to set up in Gurugram. Meghalaya CM Conrad Sangma launched face recognition mobile app named Pensioners Life Certificate Verification for Pensioner. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates Rudraksh Convention Center in Varanasi. IAH ends an argument with the University of New South Wales for setting up a Center for Advanced Transportation Technology and Systems in Noida. Madhya Railway Station in Varanasi was renamed as a Banaras Railway Station. India is set to get its first port taxi service between Noida Airport and Film City. Delhi government partners with Google to provide real-time bus tracking service. Rajasthan government is planning to start Mukhyamantri Kishan Mitra Energy Yojana for farmers. NCW signs an MOU with the Bureau of Police Research and Development for gender sensation of police personnel. India, Sri Lanka and the Maldives hold TTX 2021 joint exercise on maritime security. World's first commercial modular small reactor enters the construction phase in China. Appointments. Indian American Seema Nanda was appointed as the new solicitor for the US Labor Department. Obituary. National Award winning actress Surekha passed away at 75. Pulitzer Prize winning Indian photojournalist Danish Siddique passed away at 38. Sports news. Gokulam Kerala FC is set to represent India in the AFC Women's Club Championship. A.R. Rahman and Ananya Birla launched Tokyo Olympic cheer song Hindustani Way. Karnataka is set to host the second edition of Hilo Indian University Games in March 2022. இதிலிருந்து 18th ஜூலையோட கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் பார்க்க போகிறீங்க. இப்போ டே ஆஃப் 18th ஜூலை நெல்சன் மண்டேலா இன்டர்நேஷ்னல் டே. யூனியன் கவர்மெண்ட் லான்ச் டிஜிட்டல் பிளாட்ஃபார்ம் Kishan Sarathi to facilitate farmers to get right information at the right time in their desired language. Haryana Deputy CM Dashyat Shakuntala introduced the One Block One Product scheme. India's first ever mock fruit cultivation exercise begins in Himachal Pradesh, Kulu. MIDI linked an MOU with Map My India to enable map service in UMANG app. CESL partners with WRI India to build a strategy for the renewable energy sector. Zurich International Airport signs shareholders agreement with NIAL for Noida International Airport development. Bashar al-Assad was sworn in as the president of Syria for the 7th year term. Africa becomes the first continent to complete collection of digital land use data. US, Afghanistan, Uzbekistan and Pakistan announced a new Quad group for the Afghanistan peace process. IIT Madras develops an artificial intelligence algorithm to sort cancer-causing mutations. Awards and recognitions. Former Indian goalkeeper Sabaj Banerjee was confirmed with Monu Bahan Ratna posthumously. 2 Indian organizations win the 2021 UNDP Equator Prize. Julia Ducournau of France becomes the second woman to win Palme d'Or at the 74th Cannes Film Festival. India's Payal Kapadia wins the Olivier Award for Best Documentary at the 74th Cannes Film Festival. Bangladesh Nobel laureate Muhammad Hussain to receive Olympic laureate. Book and author. A new book titled The Indian Story, An Epic Journey of Democracy and Development was authored by Bimal Jalan. Former Pakistan President Manmohan Hussain passed away at 80. Lewis Hamilton wins the 2021 Formula One British Grand Prix. Current affairs. International Chess Day 20th. Assam government has announced to provide government jobs for all Olympic, Asian, Commonwealth, National Games medalists. Jammu and Kashmir High Court was renamed as the High Court of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Jammu and Kashmir government organized a 3-day festival in Gros Valley to promote tourism. Maharashtra becomes the first state in India to issue educational documents using blockchain technology. Kambampatti Haribabu takes oath as the 22nd Governor of Mizoram. Rajasthan develops Raj Kisan Organic mobile app for the purchase and sale of organic products. Russia successfully tests Fireship-based Zircon hypersonic cruise missile. Turbulence Aware Platform. Cleopas Dolmini was appointed as the Prime Minister of Eswatini. Union Minister Mukat Abbas Nahu was appointed as the Deputy Leader of the House in the Rajya Sabha. Award and recognition. Vaidehi Dong from Michigan was crowned as the 2021 Miss India USA. Filmmaker and cartoonist Gautam Benigal passed away at 56. Former Kerala Transport Minister K. Sankaranarayanan Pillai passed away at 78. Sports news. ICC welcomes Mongolia, Tajikistan and Switzerland as its new members. 21st July on current affairs. Union government extends Stand Up India scheme up to 2025. MECL sign as MOU with DMG from exploration of iron ore reserve in Goa. Indian Oil Corporation is set to build India's first green hydrogen plant at Mathura, Uttar Pradesh. Union government decided to set up Indian Institute of High Heritage at Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Cisco partners with the National Skill Development Corporation for digital upskillings. India charts the 2021 BRICS Contact Group on Economic and Trade Issues meeting. Ariel Henry was appointed as the Prime Minister of Haiti. Jose Pedro Castro Trans was selected as the President of Peru. IIT Roper researchers develops a first of its kind oxygen rationing device. Russia successfully fires S-500 missile system. Benaya Srikanth Pradhan was appointed as the next High Commissioner of India to the United Republic of Tanzania. Kachar district of Assam wins the Koch Award for Push Nibot Nutri Garden project at Dinatpur Bagicha village. Rakshat Om Prakash Mihar's autobiography titled The Stranger in the Mirror is set to be released soon. Prince Harry to publish an intimate and heartfelt memory in 2022. Indian wrestler Aman Gilly and Sagar Jalan becomes CAD World Championships. Vishwanathan Anand wins the Parkinson Trophy. 22nd July oda current affairs. National Refreshment Day 22nd July. World Brain Day 22nd July. National Mango Day 22nd July. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu inaugurates the World University Summit 2021. China unveils the fastest ground vehicle maglev train in the world. IBBI amends regulation for the insolvency process to enhance transparency. B2 India becomes the world's first space-based digital currency exchange from ultra-secure transaction. Byju's buys US-based kids reading platform Epic from $500 million. Dehradun successfully flights test indigenous man-portable anti-tank guided missile. Blue Organic completes its first human passenger flight using New Shepard rocket. NSE Foundation launched large-scale SCR project Cabbage from increased COVID-19 vaccination in aspirational districts. DRDO successfully flight test space to air missile Akash NG. Book and authors former RBI Governor Durvu Subbarao unveils C.K. Garvial's book Banks with a Soul Ikudas. News Gangambara Devi and Sanjit Singhan win the AIFF Footballer of the Year awards. வீடியோ ஃபுல்லாக பார்த்ததுக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி. விஷுவீடியோ தமிழ் சேனலை மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க. நன்றிகள் கலந்த வணக்கம்.